try to start downloading Xcode, the great tool we'll play with down the road. So first of all, let's make sure we have the latest Mac OS version. So version, this is the latest one. And so if we click that, we can see your Mac is up to date. Okay, that's fine. Okay, another thing we want to check is, so you can see my Mac OS, my machine is very old. It's like it's about 80 years old, so it's still working fine. And now let's go to Finder. So we can see in the bottom status bar, I have nearly 60 GB available. That's big enough. So if you cannot see this bar, you can check the view and show status bar here. Check that. Okay, so if this number is too small, like for example it's less than 10 GB available, then you should clean up your hard disk to make better, more than like 20 GB something, before you can start to download Xcode, because Xcode is a huge application. So we can start to download it. So we can click this search icon to go to the App Store. Yeah, this guy. Enter. Let's search Xcode here. Xcode. So yeah, this guy. Xcode developer tools. Don't worry about the developer. We don't want to be a professional developer. We just want to use this cool, wonderful tool, right, to play our simple and fun stuff. Now click the download icon here. It's free. It's free. Okay. But it's a huge, it's called IDE, Integrated Development Environment. You see, because it's huge. It's about maybe 17 GB. So it might take us a while. You see the process circle here. Process bar going around. Okay. So I'll pause this video so to save some time, and I'll come back when it's done.